Ladies and gentlemen, this video is going to startle you. XRP Ripple is attracting interest from Blackrock, the wealthiest firm on Earth. They are purchasing XRP coins valued in trillions of dollars. This is absolutely ridiculous. The best aspect is also, according to experts, XRP Ripple's value may explode to $22,000. Great, yes? Among all the XRP Ripple videos available, this is the most crucial one. Let's start now. Warning. There is much conjecture among the XRP community, and this time it's not only buzz, it might be history in development. Insider whispers point to Blackrock, the biggest asset manager in the world, getting ready to submit for a spot XRP ETF. Though nothing is formally proven, various crypto voices are now freely discussing it. One tweet from Javier the Rippler says Blackrock CEO Larry Fink is in covert talks with SEC Commissioner Paul Atkins, with a filing for the ETF any day right now, with a strong assertion that Blackrock is purchasing XRP valued at $8 billion. Another tweet from Ant stoked the flames. Following were memes and jokes, including John Squire tweeting Blackrock and XRP. If such is the case, I am selling my house, my dog, and maybe my left kidney. Beyond the humor, though, is a major concern. Should Blackrock formally seek for an XRP ETF, what follows? You must know what an ETF is if you are to appreciate the weight of this. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is comparable to investing Spotify playlist. You're purchasing a full collection packed into one marketable package instead of one song or, in this example, one commodity. Designed to simplify and increase access to investment, ETFs are traded on conventional stock markets. In the crypto space, it means a spot XRP ETF would let both institutional and retail investors access XRP without handling the technical issues of wallets, private keys, or exchanges. It's the portal for mainstream money. This is where Blackrock's participation might totally flip the odds. BlackRock oversees around $10 trillion in assets. Wall Street hears what it says. Regulators pay attention when it acts. We have seen this elsewhere before. The SEC, which had turned down every prior effort, ultimately granted BlackRock's application for a position on Bitcoin ETF. The floodgates opened, billions pouring onto the market. The issue now is whether XRP will follow a like path. The probability of XRP and Solana getting batch approved with other altcoin ETF applications is under increasing discussion among ETF players. This reflects the trend observed with ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well-known ETF analyst Nate Geraci even speculates that if giants like BlackRock and Fidelity join the race, this scenario could come true. Polymarket betting. Markets claims that late 2025 approval chances for an XRP ETF are really strong. As early as this July, there is even a slim possibility we might get approval. The legal background of this adds especially intriguing elements. For years, Ripple battled the SEC on whether XRP is a securities. That case came to a historic decision, concluding XRP is not a security marketed on secondary markets. By removing a significant regulatory obstacle, this ruling opened the path for institutional products like ETFs. BlackRock, renowned for its calculated every action and cautious approach, would not even give an XRP ETF any thought unless the legal environment was favorable. Should BlackRock file, XRP's price might be immediately and dramatically changed. Once reluctant institutions now have a compliant, controlled route into XRP. Not only for utility but also for pure capital flow, demand might explode. BlackRock's participation also has great psychological weight. For some, it would be the last change XRP undergoes from a lawsuit-racked cryptocurrency to a Wall Street-certified digital asset. XRP has always had a resilient narrative, and should BlackRock materialize, it may also turn into a tale of atonement. One thing is obvious while we wait for validation. BlackRock-supported XRP ETF is not only a dream now, there is actual possibilities here. And should it occur, it might initiate one of the largest changes the crypto industry has experienced in years. Crazed. Perfect. Here, though, things go very wild. Experts argue we're not merely looking at a price pump. Should this BlackRock XRP ETF rumor become true, we are discussing a total change of market. Some are speculating XRP would value explosion faster than anybody could have predicted. Let me say, trust me, the following thing you will find astounding, so avoid making the same error if you missed out on Bitcoin. Your final opportunity is XRP. Tweeted XRP Dragon, reflecting what thousands of investors are beginning to feel. XRP could just be the decade's sleeper pick. It goes beyond simply hope or hype as well. Some quite strong arithmetic support these assertions. Consider the Golden Cross, a strong, bullish indication whereby the short-term moving average crosses over the long-term one. It showed on XRP's charts just now. Trader Steph said, XRP Golden Cross millionaires will be created in the next 1 to 2 months. Although this kind of hope is typical in bull cycles, technical patterns like these usually precede significant runs. XRP shot above 36,000% in 1 year in February 2017. The indicators could be lining up once more, and suddenly strong forecasts are starting to surface. Claiming that history repeats itself, 100 XRP may be worth $10,000 by February. The XRP Avengers linked today's market structure to the 2017 bull run. That would set an XRP single value at $100. Get ready for unexpected riches, they said. Let us now stop and ground ourselves in some figures. At $50, the market capital value would be $2,950 billion, higher than that of Bitcoin right now. $100, that is almost twice the whole present crypto market at $5,900 million. Sounds insane. Indeed. However, the twist is this. Actually, the crypto market is expanding quicker than most people could have imagined. Dan Gambardello, a Cardano advocate, recently estimated that in the next years, the whole crypto market might explode to $40 trillion. It transforms everything. In a market valued at $40 billion, Bitcoin might be worth roughly $25 billion. And even if XRP gets just 5% of that, it would be exactly at the 50 price threshold. And keep